Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my vision board and show you how you can make it very easily one for yourself. Now, it is a New Year's 2021, so New Year, new goals. Everybody all excited, and they got stuff they want to get done, right? So we're gonna go right now. Well, before I say that. Vision boards, if you're not familiar with them, basically they're actual boards that people put up, and they put all like symbolisms of their goals that they want, whether it be a new car, want a new job, and You find pictures, and you basically just make a collage of your goals, and you want to make it a point to look at that board, at least once a day. You zone out, look at these boards, and it will help you. You know, achieve those goals, right? On so many different levels, right? But you have to first create the board, and secondly, actually look at the board and like zone out with the board, and you will feel like you'll feel good every time you look at your vision board. But anyway, let's jump into mine real quick. This is my vision board, and we're gonna start up here in the left corner. You see a picture of a house. Now, this isn't a particular house that's for sale. This is just what I got online, but it's a really good representation of the kind of house that I would like. I actually do like the look like it's like in the country somewhere, like no neighbors around. I like that. But yeah, that's just this represents a new home. And then you got to the right, you see Netflix. Netflix actually represents the acting that I'm really trying to pursue and take to another level. And I put Netflix because, there's so many shows on Netflix. One of my things is to be on a Netflix show. Now, on my other channel, I talked about actually being in a couple movies already that's on Netflix, very small roles. But, like, I want to be on a Netflix show, right? Then you got lower right-hand side, you see a picture of a crowd. Now, this is a place that's very close to me, like 15 minutes away from where I live. And obviously, with everything going on with the pandemic, this actually wouldn't be able to happen for a while anyway. But the goal is to, this represents the music and actually performing in front of a large crowd in a local venue. And this is what the actual place looks like when it's packed, right? So this kind of represents the music and the performing aspect of what I want to achieve. All right, and then you got in the middle, you see the BTFL logo, which is about that fit life, which is about fitness business. You can check out my other channel. I'll put the link below. But this just represents, growing the BTFL brand, and just really trying to get more eyeballs on that, because that's really definitely a passion project. And then we look to the lower left. Obviously, you see money, and this all kind of ties together. Obviously, the house, and even with BTFL and even with the music, all that stuff, money is kind of involved with it. I definitely want to grow my income like most people do. Most people vision boards have some sort of income or financial desire to it. But yeah, guys, this is my vision board. Very simple, to the point, but I look at this all the time, and it's very motivating, guys, and very simple to make. All right. All right, so as you can see, that's my vision board for not only this year, but that's pretty much like career goals right there, right? So certain people have goals; they do it by the year. Some people have vision boards by the month, and some people have vision boards for like life, right? But that right there is pretty much like all in one. Like that's what I'm trying to achieve. A lot of that this year, and those are ultimate, like I said, life goals, career goals, right? So I stare at that every day, make it a point to look at that. And every time I do look at that, like I feel motivated. And you will do the same every time. Sunny, take a break. You will definitely feel motivated when you do that, guys. But it's all about being consistent, being positive, and having self-belief. And actually, this board, looking at it, it actually helps you get those things, right? So how you can actually create this board is very simple. You can do it online. You could use a program absolutely free called PicMonkey, right? All you do is what I did to create that picture was you just set your size to 1920 by 1080, right? That'll give you that look. Or you can create any size you want, to be honest with you. Square, rectangle, it's whatever, figure it out, right? So once you do that, then you just go online, go to Google, type in, money like I did. You could type in money, find money, and then just put it on there and pick monkey, right? It's very, very easy. Upload the image to pick monkey, slide it where you want to on the actual, on the board, whatever. And then when you get done, save it to your desktop, save it to wherever is more convenient. You can put it on your phone, and then you're good to go. It's very, very easy. Now, when you're searching for images, if you don't want them to be too like blocky pictures, when you're doing searches on Google, put like money and then put transparent image, right? Or when you go to Google and you click on, you put in money or whatever car. Once you see the results, you'll see at the top, you'll see where it has transparent image or PNG or whatever. Click on transparent or PNG image, because that's allow you to have transparent images, so it's not like block pictures. They're actually like cut out, like money that has no background to it, or you can get a car with no background. That way it can make the board look smoother, what I'm saying? Although I didn't do that with my board, but whatever. But yeah, guys, vision boards. This is my first one. I'm excited, and I'm excited to see these goals manifest, because I know they will, right? Super excited. So yeah, guys, that's my vision board, and that's how you can make one yourself very, very easily. One more thing too, by the way. If you decide to do use PicMonkey, and you can look at PicMonkey tutorials, it's very, very easy to use. But if you don't want it just online, you can take that same image, whatever you create, and you could get it printed out. You can go to the Kindle still exists? I don't know. But you can go to a Walgreens or Walmart. You can even go to Vistaprint and get a big like a poster style of your vision board if you wanted to, guys. So sky's the limit when it comes to vision board. But the key is make one. Get one done and be consistent with actually focusing on it at least once a day. If you can get it 2-3 times a day, stare at that bad boy, then do it. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.